Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today again. Like I told you, I was gifted with a lot of them. Another Anna Griffin shaker card kit, and this one is Valentine theme. And again, 30 cards. So let's see what's in here. So same kind of setup as the last one. If you saw the birthday, get well, and baby cards I made, I'll leave the link there, the card there, so you can see that video. But here are the cards that you're able to make with this kit. And it does come with these instructions. So we have the shaker bits. Sorry for the glare. We have the die cut pieces, the sentiments, more die cuts, more die cuts. We have the envelopes, the card bases. You hold a special part of all that is treasured in my heart. XOXO with love from your Valentine. So many of my smiles begin with you. Happy Valentine's Day. Love is all you need. Happy Valentine's Day. And this is the last sentiment. Sending a Valentine thought to let you know you're loved a lot. Okay, so those are the card bases. So these are just used for the decoration, probably decorative paper. And here are the covers. I don't know what they're called. That's what I'm calling them. But so I'll make some and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, so I'm back with the 30 cards I made. This is what I have left over. Most of it is just the punch outs of the die cuts that I used. So $30 Valentine shaker cards from the Anna Griffin shaker kit that I was gifted with. I hope you guys enjoyed this little share. And if you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to join our little ohana here on our crafty journey. You can do that by subscribing below. Please like and share this video. Until my next one, shakas!